It's Maria. On July 1st, something quietly happens in Europe that thousands of people, the ones ignoring it right now, will regret. The transitional period of Europe's big crypto law, MiCA, is ending, and from that day, everything splits simply. An exchange either got a European license or it has to leave the EU market. Let's break it down calmly, no panic. What does it mean for you personally, and what should you do in the next few days? First, in plain terms, what is MiCA? It's the single rulebook of the European Union for crypto companies. Before, every country did its own thing, and a platform could operate in a gray zone. Now there's one rule for everyone: to legally serve Europeans. To hold assets, exchange, transfer, you need a CASP license. Until July 1st, there was a transitional period. You could still operate while getting licensed in parallel. On July 1st, that grace period closes. What does Europe's own regulator, ESMA, say? Platforms without a license must immediately stop onboarding new EU clients, stop advertising and solicitation, and leave users only one option: to close or withdraw what they already have. So for an unlicensed exchange, a European client becomes dead weight. No new ones accepted, the existing ones shown the door. And the regulator warns separately: if you keep money with an unlicensed provider, MiCA's protection does not cover your assets. By the way, here's the most important part for you. ESMA directly advises, go and check your platform in the official MiCA register. If your exchange isn't there, don't wait for the deadline. Calmly in advance, move your assets to one that is licensed or to your own non-custodial wallet where only you hold the keys. This isn't a reason to panic and sell everything. It's a reason to get your house in order before your access gets restricted. Many think they'll extend it, like always. Not this time. Spain's regulator has already said officially there will be no extensions, and after the deadline, national regulators will act in a coordinated way against those left without a license. So this isn't a news scare, it's a concrete date with concrete consequences. And here's the logical question: who already got licensed? For one, the platform I use myself for trading, Bybit, has passed European licensing. Bybit EU received its MiCA license back in May 2025 through Austria's regulator and operates legally across Europe. For me, that's the main criterion now, not bonuses, not the interface, but whether the platform has a license in the register. I'll leave the link and how to check it in the description. So what should you do this week step by step? First, open the MiCA register and find your exchange. It's on the list, you exhale, nothing to do. Second, if it's not there, don't drag it out. Move your assets to a licensed platform or to your cold wallet while access is open. Third, for the future, make it a habit. Before you put money on a new platform, check the license, not the reviews and the ads. I know, it sounds like boring regulation, but the truth is, July 1st is the moment Europe brings order to crypto for the first time, and the winners are the ones who prepared in advance, not the ones who found out after the fact. So spend 5 minutes today, check your platform. And the full breakdown with the register and a step-by-step checklist, I'll leave in the description. If this was useful, subscribe to the channel, there's more coming. See you.